Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can edit a website in Squarespace. So let's start. So as you can see, I've already opened a website. I have created this website and I have opened this template. So what I'm going to do, simply after opening that, we have to click on the edit, and after clicking on the edit, now you can edit each and everything. For example, if you want to edit a site header, you have to click on this, and now you have to choose what you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this one, so let's click on this, and now we have to write the name here. For example, I'm going to write the freelance, and then I'm going to write the just ace here, and as you can see, now it's done. And this way you can change your things, like if you want to change again, I'm going to remove the services, so let's remove the services, and as you can see, now it's like this. So in this way you can edit this. If you want to edit this banner, you can also do that. You have to click on the edit design, and you can choose the design like this. I'm going to choose this one, so let's click on this. As you can see, now it looks like this. If you want to edit other things like these things, as you can see, you can also edit them, like this text is mentioned here. If you want to edit the text, if you want to change the color, you can do each and everything. You can control them. So in this way you can edit your website in Squarespace, which is very easy to understand, which is very easy to use as well. So as you can see, now you can delete this, remove this, and make a duplicate of this as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can edit your website in Squarespace. So see you guys in the next video.